Hi everyone, this is Romy here with Villa Lux, and today we're in the area Montgo Valles here in Javea to show you our latest listing, which is this very special, authentic Spanish finca. So the location of this finca is perfect. It is located just off the Jesus Pope Road and it's surrounded by vineyards. It really gives this rural, nice feel with amazing views over the Montgo. It's so quiet, peaceful and nice. So I could really imagine somebody enjoying living here. So the finca itself from the inside again has really nice and cute features such as a log burner. You find these timber wooden doors throughout the entire property as well as the wooden beams. Like I said, it is a very special place, really cute, cozy, and it just looks like somewhere you want to live. Layout itself is really good as well. So downstairs you can find a dining room, living room, kitchen, a guest bathroom and a bedroom, which makes the property future-proof. And upstairs you can find an additional 2 bedrooms with 2 ensuite bathrooms. So I cannot wait to show it to you. Let's go check it out. So as I said, this finca is really special. So if you like this tour and you would like to know more about this finca or arrange a viewing, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. The contact details below. And if you're watching this video and thinking about selling your own property, also don't forget to just reach out. We are there to help you.